Good day, guys. Alright, this is the Isuzu 2.8 DT with the 4JB1 motor in. Some of you have seen some of the videos that I've been posting regarding the engine and how to install a few different parts. Initially, I was just going to do the video about the motor to help some of the guys who don't know it and want to do their own thing and so on. So I've decided to continue with this, making of videos for you guys. Like some of you know, this Frontiers, they have this back window, and the previous guy which I bought it from has bumped it. As you can see here, it's bended. I'll show you from the side that yeah, it's quite damaged, so that causes the window to break. So I've made the plan here. I've bended and fitted a plate to come in the window's place. So as you can see, it's like this. So I'll be showing you guys exactly how I did it, and then this will eventually I'll have this cut out on the framework so that you can just fit a normal glass on top of it, so you can have a normal back window again, because these vehicles, according to the agents, they have discontinued making these, and yeah, so you have to make a plan. So this one, this vehicle, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna respray it a little bit, the color, same color, just with some different ideas, you know. And this is not the only project I have. I have a lot of things which I keep myself busy with. This will be my next project. This is also a car which I'm gonna respray, redo the engine and so on, which I will be posting videos of. It's been standing for quite some time. It has the 1600 16 valve Ecotech. So there's some parts needed for it. So after the Isuzu, I'll come to the Opel, and then I've got also a motorcycle which in his previous day did hold Guinness World Record. So I want to rebuild that as well. Not the engine itself is fine. It's just a little bit of paint and here and there, putting on headers and exhaust aftermarket, and have a race or two to see what it does against the newer and bigger bikes of today. So should you want to see this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your day.